Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. I hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. See what the markets have done overnight. See the high on ES, 61.59. The low, 61.42. It's about 17 points in range. And Q235 down to 141, so less than 100 points in range, about 94 points in range there. It tries to push back up. Copper, about 160 ticks in range. The Ultra Bond rising up. Nice rise up on the Ultra Bond. Still only about 22 ticks in range. Gold rose up, pulled back about mid-range now, about 24 points. Crude oil still rising. I see crude oil rising. But it's less than a point as well. Pretty dead overnight. Natural gas, big fall. And Bitcoin's been rising back up to about 97.5. That's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. We have unemployment claims and Philly Fed business index, manufacturing index coming up at 8:30. Morning, Amelia. How are you today? Q coming down off the 3 minute there. Wow, outtrain today. Actually, seeing some clean moves there on the 3 minute chart. Oh, see this one right here is with a nice 30-point potential gain. We got the whole thing. That blue candle there. We've been right in the middle of it. And here's another one after it came back down. Right there. So that move up. Right here, a good signal for looks like about 10 points. And this one, so it might actually work. What about 6 points, depending on what you want to go for. We'll see where it goes. Kind of hemming and hawing sitting there. Little bounce. Hmm. And down we come. Back under 22,200. Hey, MR, how you doing? Doing all right. Oh, wow. Nice. Show off? No, just kidding. So a little less than 20 minutes till our news for the morning. We have a Fed speaker 5 minutes after the bell. We also have a Eurozone consumer confidence flash at 10 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, JJR. 57 isn't too bad. ATR is a very anemic 2.73 here on the 30-second chart. Just have to see whether or not the jobless claim numbers and all that give it some oomph. 'Cause right now we are oomfless. Not an oompa loompa to be found. Hey Rod, how you doing? Hey, Rod, RJ and I are doing a London stream tomorrow. I know that's more your time. I'm not sure if you'll be around or not. Time changes here in America in 2.5 weeks. Second weekend of March. Nice. It's a good comeback, JJR. Yeah, but you should congratulate yourself, JJR, that you stopped on them, the ones that you were having problems with, and you didn't blow anything. So also look at that positive. Well, my MightyOxTrading neon sign arrived for my setup for the weekend. Oh, there was a quick move down. Uh-oh. Morning, Chris. Uh, Quick move down there, but then stopped after a minute. And pops back up. Nice little pop. I think I'm just going to stay flat though until after. I don't know. I hope something moves the market. And I hope the market is more alive overnight when me and RJ are going to try and stay awake. Excuse me 1 minute, guys. All right, I'm back. So, I mean, this could have been quick whips up for like 5 points up, 5 points. It didn't even go 5 points. Eh. See on the 3 minute chart, we just look like we're chopping. Hopping, chopping like a rabbit. Sorry. Yeah, keep me updated on that, see how they're doing. Yeah, really, I don't promote ETF anymore. They're kind of on the fence. I can't decide if I want to promote them or not. They basically recently said they don't want affiliates. That they prefer to do things without affiliates, and they make affiliates jump through hoops to get their money. They're the absolute worst, and I don't like a bunch of their business practices. So it's kind of like I'm on the fence with them of whether I want to promote them or not. Yeah, it does. I mean, I feel there's like 15 better props out there. Hey, Crypticon. Well, that makes it even worse. I didn't realize that, Chris. But they don't. I mean, they're pretty quick to move you to live now, right? And then that 23% goes away, right? I admit I really haven't kept up with them much, so I could be wrong about all that. Oh yeah, and the best thing about Elite Trader funding is that when they go 90%, Bowenox price matches them. So that's when we get. They're the reason Bowenox goes 90%. Hey, Platt. So that computer I won from Alpha Futures, that arrived yesterday. How you doing today, folks? So now we got movement down right here before news. About 30 seconds to our news, and we plop downwards. The computer's not a bad machine. It's a $700 computer at Best Buy. Yeah, I didn't even try to win it. Apparently, they had something in December that anyone that refers someone to Alpha Futures gets entered to win a computer. They had three winners: a computer, a monitor, and a chair. And I didn't even realize I had entered. I mean, I didn't realize. I hardly even promote Alpha. Not that they're bad in any way, just didn't really tickle my radar. But apparently I referred one person, and somehow I won. Didn't even realize I won until someone on my Discord saw it on Alpha Futures' Discord, saw my name, and asked me if I just won a computer. Lo and behold, I did. So now, this was also right in the middle of me getting everything to build a computer, and the computer that's being built is much more powerful. So this one, I already have somebody that wants it for uh, their boyfriend's son, so that'll work out okay. I'd originally considered doing a giveaway with MightyOxTrading with it, but it would have been a hassle to try and do all that shipping. But I really feel I should play the lottery because I'm winning. My life is totally turned around. My I'm winning contests I didn't even know I entered. And you know what? This news did not do anything for NQ at all. See what the news was. Job was claimed 219K. They expected 215K. Philly Fed Index 18.1. They expected 14.3. I must admit, and it's a mind frame I need to get out of, but it's partly because of my history in life that when too many things start going right, I start expecting something really bad to happen. Yes, NQ so far is really ugly. Oh no, I am very grateful. I don't want to ever make it seem like I'm not grateful. I am very grateful. I know I'm very blessed, and I'm trying to do things that helps others along the way now. But it's just that for instance, my life was really turning around back in 2019, 2018, 2019. Um, Not to the level that now, mean, I'm much better now than I was then, but you know, things are going really well. Then I get sick and have the amputation, and it derails everything. So it's like I just, but I know I got to stop expecting bad things to happen. Morning, John. Thought you weren't gonna be here till Friday. How you doing? Price action. You may want to take another day off. Seeing John reminds me. If anyone's interested in doing a fantasy baseball league, let me know. Trying to get 10 to 12 people together for that. Okay. Oh, fantastic night last night. Well, hopefully Monday will be a fantastic night. Trading Asia with RJ on Monday. You've been doing well in Asia. You'll have to show us the way on Monday night, John. With a little pop. Hey, Robin, how you doing? Wow, nice, John. I'm doing all right. So my neon sign came, but I can't get it out of the freaking packaging. I swear they moved one box to another. There's nothing here I want to trade right now. It's kind of sad. Right now, trying to trade this would just get me in trouble. NG. Oh wow. Yeah, NG. That's quite the drop. Hope you're short, or are you looking for a bounce? Yeah, that's short. Holy Hannah, this thing's hard to get out. Probably something I shouldn't be doing while streaming. You can get a VPN, John, and trade off the VPN and monitor it from an app. Um, there's also an app called Team no Team Viewer. I want to say Team Viewer, where you can like cook in and monitor your home PC. Don't really want to trade from that though, because there is like a delay, but you can monitor stuff with that. Or you could quit the job and trade full time. I think that's the name of it. Give me a second. I still have it on my computer here. Yeah, TeamViewer. I'll be very happy for you if you do. I think you're ready, but let's try to push up here now. Going back to the office mandates are stupid. I bet you don't get anything more done at the office than you do from home. There's an idea too. I forgot. Yeah, I didn't even think about that. Still rising here. I guess now we finally can trust something. There's actually a pretty good signal there off the the 3 minute chart, it's still not moving quickly. Still rising. Well, yeah, no, yeah. I mean, I agree, Rob. I mean, obviously, there's some jobs that remote doesn't work, but John's a banker. There's probably, except for when he has to meet with a client, I doubt there's anything he really needs to be in the office for. I mean, I wouldn't want my doctor to be working remotely, especially if he's doing surgery. So some surgeries are now done totally robotic, just the guy playing like a video game. The good old dog and pony show. Uh, I may never get this thing out of the box. Pulls back a little bit here. Well, I mean, lately maybe it'll be doing better than in the cockpit. But I mean, drones are now flown remotely. But yeah, I agree. I mean, we don't want remote pilots. Don't think we'll ever see lawyers be able to just come to court like talking important stuff by Zoom. But construction workers really wouldn't work out. Pulls back a little bit here. Ouch. Down to that EMA. And maybe in the next hour we'll get a trade. There's a couple of opportunities there, but oh yeah, the Uber. There's driverless Ubers all over Phoenix and San Francisco now. A couple other spots, I think. They might need that here in Decatur. Apparently, there's no drivers for Uber here in Decatur because gas prices have gone up and they feel it's not profitable for them. Okay, guys, I give up. I wanted to get that neon sign out and mess and see what it looked like, but the box has defeated me. Cold. Let's see. 2 degrees. Wind chill is -15. But by Monday, they want it up to 53. Wow, next week's all supposed to be up in the 50s. See, where I'm sitting right now, it's 63 degrees. Furnace isn't keeping up. I have the furnace set at 67 or 68. So we came back down, so we made a nice little pyramid there, or maybe a teepee, wigwam, little house. But I just didn't trust any of it. I gotta become more trusting, I guess. Our ATR is still only 3.32. I want to wake up the market. I mean, I like the house being cold. Although lately I noticed that one thing I don't like when my hands get cold. My fingers feel cold. I've been noticing it happening more, so I need to do something about improving my blood circulation. Much rather be cold than hot. Uh, no signal there. This was a decent signal down here. I just, yeah. I would have no problem living at the North Pole as long as I had Wi-Fi or internet, I should say, not Wi-Fi, but a good internet connection. Or the South Pole with a couple of pet penguins. Every now and then, Illinois gets hot enough that it feels like the sun's trying to kill you. We get at least a few days a year where the heat index goes up to 110 or 115. Tried to get above 200 here on NQ, could not do it, got up to 199 and rejected back down. Once this new computer's up and running and everything else, all the other electronics are up and running, I'm going to have, it's going to be harder to keep the house cool. Ooh, nice pop. So that's the problem. I'm not taking the pop because it's lulling me to sleep. I'm not expecting them. So you can see here on the 3 minute, got up to 208 there, 207 there, 212 there, 208 there. It's trying again now to 207. Can it finally break up higher? Over here we got up to 219. Can it take us higher? So far that's a no. Pulls back a little bit. Top of the hour. Still rising up. Now we got some movement up. There's 210. So I'm just going to continue to watch it rise now. But still a slow grind. About 25 minutes till the bell. for entertainment purposes only. All three of the indices are watching RQ, ES, and Dow all gave a good signal there to take. Hello, USC. Wow, you made it in before both Ace and RJ today. In case you missed it, guys, the Apex Trader Funding 80% sale has been extended for 2 weeks until March 4th. Oh, awesome, USC. How much you get or are getting? So there's 219. Overnight high 230. Yeah, okay, 230. No, I'm wrong. 235. About 20 minutes till the bell. Pull back a little bit here, or not. Morning, RJ. Good morning, Dale. How are you? Welcome. Name doesn't ring a bell in my head, so are you new or am I losing my memory? One of these times someone's going to say I'm losing my memory. Oh, welcome. Glad to have you. Hope you enjoy being here. NQ continues to rise up here as we head toward the bell. Yes, yes, it is, Amelia. A whole lot of nothing going on. What assets do you like to trade, Dale? And are you a prop trader or are you trading your own money? I'm nosy. You don't ever have to feel like you have to answer my questions. Cool. There you go. That's positive momentum, JJR. How long have you been trading, Dale? It's definitely a long process. Don't focus on the money yet. Focus on just the process of being a consistent trader, following whatever your strategy, your edges, and following your rules, and then the money will come. But you got to get down the psychology and all that first, and then work from there. About 14 minutes till the bell. Chopping around. Mama told me we're gonna chop around. Moving my stop to the top of that second purple candle. I don't think it's gonna do anything here, but you're welcome, Dale. Good morning, Ace. This is gonna stop me out. There it goes. Stop me out. Live stock is getting close to your target. Or it was until I said something. How you feeling today, Ace? Feeling any better? 8 minutes or so till the bell. A little bit day by day, Ace. Oh, God. Fog has rolled in. At least where you're at, Ace, you don't need to worry about any ships running aground. Like a pullback here, maybe. Little pop down. Well, there's your 208 livestock. Actually, 209, but close enough. Morning, Tio. There's a nice drop down. See, I didn't trust that purple candle because of what we were seeing, but you can see that that would have been excellente. No idea why I'm talking in Italian. Hopefully, we can get something after the bell. Yes, I am. We also have We do have news at the top of the hour. Eurozone consumer confidence, they flash us. And there's a Fed speaker 5 minutes after the bell. Be vague. When she has USC in her name and you can't remember where she's from. Nice little pop there. He was done before the stream started, Ace. I think he meant he's done as in he hit the like button. Pops up, but nothing sustained. Now coming back down. You're gonna go long on the yen, Ace? Hey, yen, it's going up a little bit. That'll be a good trade. This is kind of still ugly. This If this keeps up, you're gonna have to keep me awake, guys, because this is like, yeah. Question, guys: has anyone recently passed a topstep account, like in the last couple of weeks? Looking to see if they've changed the language in their contract. And now we're going to move down that MR predicted. No, they still have the other platforms, as far as I'm aware. I should have taken the short there, and I did not. When it's chopping around, you just lose confidence in when you do get a signal. That was a good one. That's a good one, Ace. Big fall in NQ. Yes, bouncing now. Great job, Ace. NQ popping for me. Struggling there though. There we go. Target hit, 10 points. 82 half to 92 half. Technically, it's another signal, but I'm not taking it. Looks like I should have taken it. I'm glad I didn't take it. Dipping down and trying to come back up. Dale, you still with us? How you doing? Hi, Hassan. Tio starting terrible rumors. Ah, I am the MotBot 3000. Pulls back a tad. So even after the bell now, we're almost 15 minutes after the bell, and our ATR is still not hit 10. Ooh, quick whip down though. Got up to 213 and a quick 20-point drop, the 30-point drop. Oh, we popping back up there. Oh, you misread that. It says if you keep talking, you will cease and desist. As a, you will cease to exist. We don't like to call it a mafia. We like to call it a stampede. It's gonna stop me out here. I'm gonna take back what I got in that last trade. That blue candle faked me out. Falling hard. This is the one that's gonna work. The first one faked me out. Second one's working. And we continue down further. Just dropping like it's hot. Down to 131. We are at the low of the day. Low yesterday was 118, getting close to that. And then the low of Tuesday was 102. Numbers to keep in mind. Reminder first, if you're enjoying the stream, appreciate if you'll gore that like button for me. Dow's trying a little bounce there. Breaks 22,100, gets down to 89. Still falling. Whoosh. Down 60 points on this 3-minute candle. Down 86 points on this 5-minute candle. Are we going to break 20 under 22,000? We're at 22,050. Well, we wanted movement, guys. News coming up in 5 minutes. Yeah, Hassan. Yeah. Yes, I do. 39, right? Oh, that didn't work either. Excuse me, guys. I'm going to take this phone call. All right, I'm back, guys. And NQ's still not wanting to come back up. Oh, wow. Ouch. Ouch on Walmart. And ouch on NQ. So what else is driving this down? That was just Walmart. The joint however you pronounce that, press conference of U.S. envoy Kellogg and Ukraine Zelensky has been canceled at the U.S.'s request. That was about 10 minutes ago. I don't know if that's what caused this drop. Muted. I am muted. Sorry about that. Uh, Zelensky and the U.S. envoy's press conference was canceled. It's in red on Financial Juice. But I don't know if that's causing this. I don't know what's causing this. We are lower now than we've been since Thursday, a week ago. I can't believe just Walmart's causing this. Let's go look. Okay, everything's dying. Apple's dying. Tesla's dying. Alphabet's dying. Microsoft is dying. Meta's dying. Nvidia's dying. Amazon's dying. All the big ones. All the big ones are selling off. Maybe they thought Walmart was announcing a rollback sale on all major stocks. This is just. I mean, this is just. Wow. Attention, Walmart shoppers. Our stock is now half off. For about 250 points in a half an hour. Oh, really? Oh, Ultra Bond's loving it. Crude selling off. Gold. Gold's not sure what it's doing. Should have taken that yen long ace. It's going up nicely. Little bounce there on NQ. By little, I mean like more than 20 points. There's a pop on the three. Ouch. So, yeah, got down to 951, and we now rebounded by 70 points in 3 minutes. Wow. So this 3 minute candle is almost 60 points. I take the ones I shouldn't take that don't work, and then I don't take the ones that do work. Correct, livestock. Pulls down. So hit that EMA and pulls back down. So tried to come back up, gave back about half of that move back up. Now it's trying to find an identity. Sorry, I was muted. All right, Platt, we'll see you. Purple candle there, but I don't like it. Yep, now it's trying to pop. Let's try. I'm gonna try taking this on a 3 minute chart. If it holds, it's still got over a minute and a half. Popping up. I don't know. We're gonna hitting that 9 EMA on the 3 minute chart. The blue candle that pulls back. So what I'm going to do here is I'm looking at the 3 minute chart. It wants to come up. I'm going to look for a signal on the 30-second chart to enter. That was a good one. Well, then see that didn't work out because now I'm already. If I had entered off at the right time, I would have had 10 points. So I got to not be afraid of those wicks. I think took a long on both top step and uh, whatever this is. Say the five. Crap, I was muted again. So we're still in on the top step. We got the Tradeify win. The top step is now up 20 points, playing off the 3 minute chart. Looking for 93. Is that EMA? Doesn't seem to want to continue. There it goes. Now I'm getting some momentum. 82, 86. We're going to target down to that EMA. Let's see if we can get there. Stop is now at above break even. To give Ace's heart a little breather because he gets all upset when I don't do that. There we go. Up to 85 again. Come on. I want 92 half. Doesn't look like he wants to give it to me. I'll pull him back. Oh, no, there's some more green. Back up to 82, 86. We're going to take it off. So that was a 23-point trade, 56 to 79. I think I'm really going to like switching to that 3-minute chart. Because you can see even here, now, this would have been a very scary stop. But, even this one would have worked, this blue candle. With a 55-point stop. But it actually would have given us 55. Really? Yeah, it would have. 39 to 89. That would have been, so it actually would have given 60 points. Still going. I should have stayed in. So that's going to be my next thing is once I switch to the 3-minute chart is, not fearing the wobbles because I was in at 56. I even said I won at 93. It's gone through 93 up to 100. So based on my entry there, I could have gotten more than 40 points. I got to not fear the wobbles. And that may even mean having to turn off the 30-second chart altogether because I really considered getting out when it got into the red zone here in the 30-second chart. But I held and got more points. We're gonna need to make stuff in the MightyOxTrading store that has that phrase on it. To you're now tasked to find that sound effect. pulls back. So we got up to, what was it? 100 hat. Pulled back right about 30 points. Pulls back. Hey, David, you on a plane going somewhere? Or are you on a bad trip of acid? Still rising. Chicken. Now I want bacon. Thighs. Yeah, white meat is just too dry for me. If I have white meat, then I need like mayonnaise and stuff. I don't mind white meat if it's like a chicken salad where I can add like mayo or whatever. Fortunately, there's no good mayos out there. It all has soybean oil in it. I heard mayo is great to make with like bacon grease. So I should add an immersion blender to my whole gaggle of new appliances. Still rising up. Yeah, I'm trying to eliminate all or as much seed oils out of my diet as I can, with especially soybean. So mayonnaise is definitely. I basically the only condiment I'm using right now is mustard. Yeah, I hate running mayonnaise. It's disgusting. I tried one of the brands. I think it was Kraft, the one with avocado oil, but the thing is, they still put soybean oil in it too. It's like, well, that's Big Macs actually have the Mac sauce. It's not mayo. And down. Could have been that would have been a quick good 10 points, but I didn't take it. Yeah, I mean I love mayo, so I'm one of those people that if you ask me what I want to dip my fries into, it's mayonnaise. Ketchup without high fructose corn syrup would be good. Probably steals too many carbs for me though. Oops. So this was a good signal here. I didn't take it. This was a good signal here. I didn't take. My mind is not 100% in the game here. I admit that. I was actually looking over my mother's newest test results and thinking about food. Ooh, nice pop there. Oh yeah, I love salt too. Well, but from what I'm reading, that she's getting worse instead of better. Yeah, if they're talking about sending her home. Her white blood count is shot up. Her the certain tests showing that she has kidney issues right now, and she's the one person in the world that needs to consume more salt. She has chronically um, very very low sodium in her blood. And the other thing is that I can't figure out. They gave her an injection of Narcan. Now my mom doesn't do drugs. She's never been on even a opioid for pain ever. What the heck's the injection of Narcan for? I mean, it looks like they gave her one pill of Tylenol with hydrocodone, and it's like I don't understand it. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure all this out. You know, first of all, what the heck that Narcan was about, and second of all, why is things seemingly getting worse? Dow's continuing to drop. ES and NQ trying to bounce. I know they had Narcan ready for me when I was in the hospital with my amputation. So after the amputation, they were like rotating different opioids every 2 hours, and they had it there just in case they accidentally overdosed me. Now we're just kind of sideways here, trying to decide who wants to come back down. At 0.64. So it started to be as a boring morning. Then it got interesting with that down move. We'll see where we go from here. Back down. Our low today, 21,951. We're about 100 points above that. Still falling. So yeah, nice fall back down. So I'm looking at the 3 minute here because, like I said, 98.6% chance that I'm going to move to a 3 minute chart by March 1st ish, March 3rd, I guess. But you can see how it got up here to this EMA, which is, I believe, I don't remember which EMA that is. Anyway, and then it tried again, rejected off that second purple there would have been perfect for this move down. There's a pop on the 32nd. Nope, bounced off that 9 and back down. About 10 minutes to go in the stream. Y'all got quiet. Wants to bounce there. I just don't know if I trust trying to play the bounce. It looks like a good question. On the Top Step account, I'm up 457 on that one trade. On the Tradeify account, let's see where I'm at. Down 213. Let's see. Overall, right now, I have one Tradeify. I have one Tradeify straight to funded, one Bowen Ox funded, one Apex eval, three Top Step evals, two Top Step fundeds, and a partridge in a pear tree. I think that's it. Yeah. Yes, I am. Take this way. I'm bringing this back in a couple hours. Bringing it back in a couple hours. Back? Yeah, that'll be our next year's uh, 12 Days of Christmas promotion. Instead of giving away free accounts, we'll actually give away the stuff in the 12 Days of Christmas. Congratulations, T.O. You won 12 maids of milking, or no, 8 maids of milking. Hey, Greg, Take Profit Trader allows treasuries. That would be my number one choice. Platt, you still here? You think of any others that allow treasuries? Yeah, Funded Futures Network. That's another one that allows them. And I believe One Up still allows them. Just do you know which firms allow treasuries? Flat. I know Take Profit Trader and Top Step and Oh yeah, earn a trade. Good point. Earn a trade. I always forget about earn a trade. Well, there you go. Now you know more, Platt. Have a great one, MR. We'll see you tonight or tomorrow or however that is. Remember, it reminds me, guys, we are doing our London stream tomorrow, starting at 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time, running till 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. 9 hours of fun and excitement. Although if it was like this morning before the bell, it's gonna be 9 hours of oh my god, I can't believe we're trying to stay awake for this. Then Monday, remember we have Asia. If RJ keeps demanding more airtime, we're gonna have to start trading crypto on the weekends. I wish Canada very much luck, RJ. I wish USA much luck too. Don't really follow that, so I can just be agnostic to it. See you tomorrow, RJ. Bright and early. Matter of fact, it's going to be what? Let's see. 10, 12, about 15 hours from now. Good math. Yeah. Now, NQ's falling again. As we wrap up here, I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. We'll be back in about 15 and a half hours for some great London, Europe trading into New York trading. Hopefully, lots of good trades. Have a great rest of your day, everybody, and we'll see you then. Bye.